Top 10 Natural Ways to Fix Oily Hair. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Dandruff sometimes makes the hair greasy. The antifungal properties of tea tree oil help fight dandruff and control the greasiness. Mix 15 drops of tea tree oil with 30 milliliters of any carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oils, and apply to your scalp. Spread it evenly through the length of your hair. Leave it on for at least an hour before washing it off. You can also apply tea tree oil directly to your scalp if you are not sensitive to it. You can use this mix 2 to 3 times a week. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature. Rinsing your hair with ACV may control excess sebum. However, research is limited in this aspect. You can mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of ACV with 1 cup of water. After washing your hair with a mild shampoo, cleanse the hair with the diluted apple cider vinegar. Leave it on for a few minutes and rinse off with cold water. You can do it 2 to 3 times a week. Number 3. Coconut oil. Applying coconut oil before shampooing is a great way to condition your hair without making it greasy. Virgin coconut oil is light and has a lower molecular weight compared to many other oils and gives your hair the required shine. Thus, it may help prevent excess sebum production. Apply some virgin coconut oil to your scalp and hair tips. Massage it in a circular motion. Leave it on for an hour and wash it off with a mild cleanser. You can apply the oil once a week. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera exhibits significant astringent and nourishing properties due to its nutrient-rich composition. It also may help control excess oil production. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this with a cup of water. Use this mixture to rinse your hair after shampooing. You can use it once a week. Number 5. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is a rich source of magnesium. Magnesium ions can easily penetrate the hair follicles. Some anecdotal evidence suggests that magnesium may help reduce scalp inflammation. It also may absorb the excess sebum secreted by your scalp. Mix 2 to 3 teaspoons of Epsom salt with your shampoo and wash your hair with this mix. Let it remain on your hair for 2 to 3 minutes before washing. You can do this twice a week for better results. Number 6. Baking soda. Baking soda works great as a dry shampoo, as well as a rinse for oily hair. Anecdotal evidence suggests that its alkaline nature may help balance the pH of your scalp and absorb the excess oil. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda with water and make a thick paste. Apply this to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. You can apply it twice a week. But exercise caution if you are allergic to baking soda or if you have any cuts, wounds, or rashes, as it may cause a mild burning sensation. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols that promote scalp health. It plays a significant role in controlling sebum secretion. Add green tea powder to boiling water and strain the water. Let it cool down completely and apply it to the scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse it off. You can do it once a week. Number 8. Argan Oil. Massaging argan oil into your scalp and hair can redistribute the sebum to your hair shafts and keep them moisturized. It may also regulate the secretion of sebum and stimulate blood circulation. However, there is limited data on how it benefits oily hair. Apply pure argan oil from the scalp to the hair tips and wrap a warm wet towel around your hair. Leave it for 60 minutes and rinse with a mild cleanser. You can do this 1 to 2 times a week. Number 9. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid. A study conducted on hamsters found that citrus flavonoids, similar to found in lemon juice, may inhibit sebum secretion. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix in 2 cups of distilled water. Refrigerate the mixture. After a hair wash, pat dry your hair and apply this mixture. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and rinse with cold water. This mixture can be applied whenever your hair feels too oily. Caution: do not sit under the sun after applying lemon juice to your hair, as it can bleach your hair upon exposure to sunlight. Number 10. Egg yolk. Egg yolks may tighten the hair follicles and reduce the secretion of sebum. However, more information is warranted in this aspect. Mix 1 or 2 egg yolks in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and apply this to your washed hair. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse with cold water thoroughly to avoid the smell of eggs. You can use it once a week.